What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to go over how you can pay zero interest until 2021. So if you have a huge purchase in mind, you can pay zero interest until 2021, a year from now. That's absolutely amazing. So we'll get into that in just a second. Before I start, make sure you hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Remember that I do a giveaway every single week. So if you want to know about that giveaway, stick around to the end of the video to hear all about it. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. This is something that was really interesting to me when I thought about it. I was just like, you're going to pay nothing for a whole year. And this is what a lot of people look for, because when you have a large purchase like cameras, like computers, like refrigerators, like couches, whatever you want that's a large purchase, you can find a way to pay zero interest for a whole year at minimum. That's what's absolutely amazing. So I'm going to give you a bunch of cards to where you can pay zero interest for the next 12 months at least. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first card that I have here is the Capital One Quicksilver card. This card gives you 0% interest for 15 months. That's 15 months. I mean, that's over a year's time. So you're going to be able to, pay not only the minimum balance. I wouldn't say pay the minimum balance, but I would say you would pay a smaller portion than paying off the whole thing. So if you have $1,000 purchase, you can go from there. And then you'll also get the 1.5% cash back that this card offers you. So that's absolutely amazing to be able to get rewards and not have to pay interest for a long time. The next one that I have on this list is the Wells Fargo Propel card by American Express. This is a card that I've talked about recently, and I've talked about a lot because I love this card. I absolutely love this card. It gives you, when it comes to APR wise, when it comes to 0% interest for a certain amount of months, it gives you 0% interest for 12 months. But then it also gives you, standard rewards. It'll give you 3 times on so many different areas. 3 times on gas, 3 times on dining, eating in and eating out, 3 times on streaming. You'll get a bunch of categories to where you get 3 times back. And that's absolutely amazing. So check out that card, $0 annual fee. And so is the Capital One Quicksilver, $0 annual fee. The next card that I have on here is the Bank of America Cash Rewards card. This is a really good card as well. And you're basically going to get 15 months of no interest. And every time I say this, it just blows my mind. I mean, if I understand that you want to pay off your balance every single month so you don't have to pay interest, but what happens when you do not have the interest charge? Do you physically have to pay it off every single month? I would recommend that you do so that you don't, get in debt. But do you really have to? That's the thing. So if you have a huge purchase, you can plan it out over 15 months time. And you can basically say, I'm going to get this couch. It's $1,000. I'm going to pay it off in 10 months. I'm only going to be paying $100 every single month. And then you could actually go months to where, you only pay the minimum payment if you wanted to. But this is the thing, you have to actually budget these things. So this is a form of budgeting, and it's a form of like a layaway, I guess, because what you're going to do is basically take that product, and instead of laying it away at a store, you're laying it away at your house, and then you can pay, the bills as you go from there. So, I mean, it just makes it very easy for you. Now, what I'm saying is, if you want to, it would be easier if you had a plan, if you had something in place right from the start. You said, I'm paying this off in 3 months, no ifs, ands, or buts about it. That's what budgeting is, and you budget the amount of money in order to pay that off in 3 months. So that's what is golden about this whole setup here. The next card that you have on here is the Amex Cash Magnet card, which can give you 0% APR for 15 months. And you'll get the standard 1.5% cash back with that card. So, there's nothing more that needs to be said there. 1.5% cash back, 15 months of free interest. And then the last card that I have on here is the Chase Freedom card. 15 months that you're getting on that as well. And then the Chase Freedom card, you're also getting, the 5% revolving categories, which absolutely helps you in the long run because it's going to teach you about using these rewards. And that's what I wanted to go over, how you can pay zero interest until 2021, until next year. Now, I want to sit here and stress, and I said it already, but I want to stress the fact that you do not pay the minimum payment because it's going to take you, 20 years to pay off that minimum payment, depending how much you spent on the card. But what I'm saying is, if you have a budgeting plan, like say if you're really good at budgeting, and you have that $1,000 couch and you wanted to split it over 2 months or 3 months or 5 months, then you could do that with a credit card that's going to basically make you pay 0% interest. It's just, you need to have discipline here. You can't say, oh, you know what, I have 15 months, so I'm going to wait 15 months. No, set your plan and then pay it off when you can. That would be the ideal way to do it. So I don't want to make it seem like I'm saying no one needs to pay off their balance. You need to pay off your balance. But I'm saying this will help you in the long run, especially for the people that actually have, like, debt somewhere else. Balance transfers would be an option as well, but not with these cards. You can look at the Citi Double Cash card, and that's actually a couple of cards that I had on here. So I had some options for balance transfers. So I have the Citi Double Cash card, which will give you 0% APR on balance transfers for 21 months. So if you have a balance, transfer it over to that card, and then you can go from there. But you do have to worry about a balance transfer fee. And then I have the Citi Simplicity card, which will give you 21 months of free interest, no interest. So that's absolutely amazing. But like I said, pay off your balances if you can, set a plan, budget. That's what will put you in the right spot when it comes to your financial situation. So go ahead and budget and do all that stuff. Check out these cards if you're looking for a big purchase. But that's the idea, is never pay interest. And if you're doing it this way, you will never pay interest. So that's my video, guys. Let me know what you think of this video. If you like it, hit the like button. Also, comment down below. Let me know what you like about the video. Let me know what you think about the video. Also, I do a giveaway every single week, so make sure that you do all of these things in order to enter the giveaway. You comment on at least one video for the week, you like at least one video for the week, and you're also subscribed to both of my YouTube channels. You're subscribed to this channel, and you're subscribed to this channel. So if you're subscribed to both of those, you get one ticket in the hat. But if you want multiple tickets, then just comment on multiple videos. I also am doing a giveaway over there once I reach 500 subscribers. So go ahead and subscribe over there. Put your name in the hat. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm going to have to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.